Hello student. Today we start the new chapter, chapter number 7, that is cube and cube root. Okay, we are familiar with square and square root. Square means whose power is 2, means multiply that number with itself 2 times. Okay, that is called square, and this one is sign of square root, x square. That means you just find out given number whose square is given number, that is square root. Okay, same if the power of any number is 3, that means you just multiply that number with itself 3 times, means you just take that number 3 times and multiply them, that is called cube of that number. Okay, it's read x to the power 3, otherwise x cube. Okay, so 5 is there, 5 cube, 6 is there, 6 cube. Okay, and if you want to find out x is there, and here if you write down 3, that is called, this one is sign denoted for cube root. Okay, that is sign of cube root, and it's read cube root of x. That means you just find out square which is, okay, whose cube is x, that is called cube root. Okay, now today we discuss about cube. What is cube? So multiply that number with itself 3 times, that is called cube. Okay, cube. Now we know that, look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and here 10, means last digit is 0. Okay, for that one we take 10. Okay, in a square, if last digit is 2 3 7 and 8 are there, they are not perfect cube numbers. Do you know perfect cube means, sorry, perfect square numbers? Okay, you are familiar with fair. If a number like 4 which is square of 2 square 2, okay, 16 which is square of 4, means a number which are the square of any number, that is called square root. Okay, so if, sorry, perfect square number, and if last digit is 2 3 7 8 is there, they are never be perfect square number. Okay, same here, but not a perfect cube number. If a number which is cube of any number, that is called perfect cube number. Here 1 to 10 numbers are there, we write down the cube of that numbers. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729 and 10 cube is 1000. That means cube means you just multiply that number 3 times. 2 cube 2 into 2 into 2, 3 cube 3 into 3 into 3, 4 cube 4 into. Okay, remind this one 2 3 7 8 for perfect square. Same here, check it. Now here, look, square of 1 means last digit is 1. After cubing of that number we get same number here, 1 and 1. Same 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 9 and 9, 0 and 0. Okay, that means if last numbers at unit place, if 1 4 5 6 9 and zeros are there, after cubing of that number we get same unit place, means same digit at unit place 1. Okay, that is, if 11 cube, that is 1 2 2 1, that means here 1 is there at last place, 1 3 3 1. Okay, last place is 1. Okay, same for another one. After cubing a number which are having at unit place 1 4 5 6 9 or 0 is there, we are having same unit place at there. But what for 2 3 7 and 8 is there? So look, after cubing a 2, okay, means number which are having at unit plus 2, after cubing of that number we get 8 at unit plus, like 2 square 2 cube, that is 8. And if 8 is there, after cubing of that one we get 2. 8 cube is 512. Here 2 is there. Okay, same for 3 and 7. 3 cube is 27. Here 7 is there, and 7 cube is 343. Here 3 is there. Okay, so you just remind that one. In a square, perfect square, 2, 3, 7 are there. They are not perfect square. Another are perfect square. Same here, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0 is there. After cube, the other after find cube of that one, we are having same unit place, but 2, 3, 7, 8 is there. After cube of a number with 2 at unit place, we get 8 at unit place, and if 8 is there, we get 2. Same for 3. Here 7 is there, and 7 we are 3 is there. Okay, just remind, here 2 is even number, 8 is the odd number, interchanging. Okay, and 3 and 7 they are odd numbers. Just remind that one. Okay, now how to find cube of any number? We know that. Suppose you want to find 11 square, 11 cube. That means 11 into 11 into 11. Okay, multiply 11 with 11 first. So 11 into 11, otherwise directly write down 11 square, that is 1 1 1 and 1 1, means 121. Then multiply 121 with 11, so 1 2 1 and 1 2 1, that is 1 3 3 1. So 1 3 3 1. Okay, means multiply that number with itself 3 times. Okay, but suppose a given number which is not a perfect cube number. Okay, here after cubing of that number, okay, these are the numbers who are the cube of these numbers. Okay, means cube of any number, they are called perfect cube numbers. So here 1 8 27 64 125 all are these cube of any number, so they are calling cubes, otherwise cube numbers, otherwise perfect cube numbers. Okay, they are perfect cube, otherwise cube number. So here 1331 is perfect cube number. Okay, but suppose sometimes these numbers are given which are not perfect cube numbers. For example, look, 200, which is not perfect cube number. Okay, we know that, not a perfect cube number. So by which smallest number you just multiply that number to get perfect cube number, otherwise by which smallest number you just divide to get perfect cube number. Okay, we know that in a square, perfect square, how to multiply and how to divide, same matters are there, but here we make pair of threes. For example, first you just find out prime factors of that one. 200, 250, 225, 5, 5 and 5, 1. That means 200 equal to, write down 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now what to do? Here you just make pair of threes, because that is, you want to find out perfect cube numbers, means they are in cube form. So 200 equal to 2 cube and here 5 into 5. Okay, now what to do? We just make pair of 3s here, means take all that numbers, all that factors 3 times, but here 5 is only 2 times. So what to do? Multiply with 5. Same here, multiply with 5. Okay, so 200 into 5 equal to 2 cube, and now that is 3 times, means 5. Now both factors are in cube form, so multiply 200 with 5 to get perfect cube number. Okay, one more example. look, suppose 250 is there. Okay, factorize that one. So here 250 factors of 2 125, then 5 25, 5 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay, so 250 equal to 2 into, just write down 5 into 5 into 5, otherwise directly make pair of 3s here, that is 5 cube. Means here 2 is only one time, we need 3 times. So what to do? Multiply both of sides. Here 2 into 2 means 2 times into 5 to 3. We need 2 3 times. So multiply 2 times 2 here. Take here one time only. We need 3 times means 2 times less. So you just take 2 times. Okay. Same here 250 into 2 times. Just take 2 both of side 2 times. So 250 into 2 to the, that is 4 equal to, now it's 3 times means 2 cube 5 cube. Okay, so multiply here, multiply 250 with 4 to get perfect cube number. Okay, multiplication. Same for division. Okay, suppose we take 250 and factors of that one, we know that 250 equal to 2 into 5 cube. Already we factorize here. Okay, so 250 equal, now by which smallest number you just divide to get perfect cube number. So what to do? You just left the cube numbers and another numbers, another factors, you just divide same factors to remove that one. Same here, divided by 2. So 250 divided by 2 equal to 2 cancel, that is 3. Okay, that means divide 250 by 2 to get perfect cube number. Okay, same for 200. Suppose 200. Okay, so here already we are having the factors. I just write down that one. 200 equal to 2 cube into 5 into 5. Okay, now to get perfect cube, by which number you just divide? So we divide with 5. So here one 5 is cut, but one more 5 is there. So again you just multiply. Same here, 5 into 5. So 200 divided by 5 into 5, that is 25 equal to 2 cube, because 5 cut. Okay, so divide 200 with 25 to get perfect cube numbers. Okay, so one more time you just revise that one. In next year we solve chapter number 7 in that exercise 7.1. Okay, one more time just revise that one. How to find out cube of any number, which are the perfect cube numbers. Okay, and how to find out cube root of a number, by which number you just multiply to get perfect cube number, otherwise by which number you just divide that number to get perfect cube numbers. Okay, and you just write down cube. Okay, cube of 1 to 15 numbers. That's your homework. You just write down cube of 1 to 15 numbers. Okay, thank you.